Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1996 Honda Odyssey. It has 48,795 original miles. It is powered by the reliable 2.3 liter 4-cylinder with an automatic transmission. It does come with 4 doors and 1 rear hatch. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. Alright, let's take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know they are not punched out. They also do go away. This vehicle does come in kilometers, not miles. The number that you're seeing up here, 78,531, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 48,795. Alright, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We will go ahead and start with the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. You drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and our deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com. Or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We would be happy to answer any questions y'all may have. We do appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you for the continual support. It does mean a lot to us. I pray y'all have a blessed and safe day.